How to increase volume on Windows 11 PC. Here's how to boost your system sound with a few simple settings. First, open the Settings app on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type Sound, then click Sound Settings. Make sure the master volume slider is turned all the way up. Next, scroll down and click More Sound Settings, or Sound Control Panel, depending on your Windows version. Go to the Playback tab and double-click the speaker or headphone device you're currently using. Now, open the Levels tab and make sure the volume is set to 100%. Next, switch to the Advanced tab. Depending on your PC and audio driver, you may see an Enhancements tab instead. If an Enhancements tab is available, open it and make sure Disable All Enhancements is unchecked. Then, enable Loudness Equalization if the option is available. This feature can help increase the overall volume and make quieter sounds easier to hear. If you don't see these options, simply skip this step and continue with the next one. Once you're done, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. If the volume is still low, make sure your audio driver is up to date through Windows Update or your computer manufacturer's support website. And that's it. That's how you can increase your Windows PC or laptop volume for a louder audio experience. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.